For beginners na gusto mag-workout at home, sabayin niyo po ako. First workout natin is hands up, then pull down, 1, then step side, 2. 15 times lang, 3. Para mabilis, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, very easy. Next, put your hands like this, then press it to your knees. 1, 2, 16 times. 3 para balance. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, nice one. Next natin is, I want you to put your hands here, then step back, then forward, forward. 1, 2, 3. So it's like a cardio. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, 15. Medyo nakakahingal na rin po yun. So hands natin here, side lang, then 1, 2, 3, 4, hanggang 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, last exercise guys, no? So after this exercise, ulitin nyo na lang po siya para makabuo kayo ng 3 set. Okay, so next natin is try to touch the floor, then row up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So ayan guys, beginner friendly na workout, 5 exercise lang kahit nasa bahay kayo. Rest kayo ng 1 minute, then do 1 or 2 more sets. And if you want a longer videos, nasa YouTube channel natin, lalagay ko yung link dito sa taas or dito sa comment section. Bye guys!